Hi, I'm Zoshi Zheng, and I'm the student from University of Michigan. And in the short program, I worked under the advisement of Professor Jerome Lynch and the assistance from Michael Kane. And this summer, I worked on an HVAC system. And before the project officially started, I worked on a scaled-down model. And this is a 3-story building of that model, and this is the ventilation system of the model. And for this part of the ventilation system, it's a fan box with a fan here and with 2 heaters inside. And for this part, it's a long pipe with 9 dampers inside. Each damper can be controlled by this small servo, and it can be opened and closed, and it can let air into each individual rooms of the building. Okay. We just talked about the ventilation system, and it's pretty complicated. So it's really hard to measure the flow rate of each individual dampers. So we have another solution. To use this method, we need first to generate a fan performance curve, for which we conducted an experiment. And in this, now let me introduce how the experiment being set up. And here is the fan box and being connected with a long pipe and with a valve. And we connect the inlet and outlet of the fan box with a pressure transducer. And this pressure sensor can measure the static pressure between the inlet and outlet. And for here, I can use this air measuring probe to measure the flow rate inside this pipe. And by adjusting that valve, we can generate as many data points as we want. Now let me turn on the power supply. So you see on the oscilloscope, there is a voltage signal. This voltage can be converted to the pressure. So now we have all the data points we need, and we can generate a performance curve of the fan. And after we reconnect with the damper with the fan box, we can also measure the pressure difference between the fan box inlet and outlet. And then we will be able to know the flow rate from that chart. And finally, I want to thank Professor Lynch and Mike Kane for their assistance and advisement. And also, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Thank you.